Hi G gang, welcome to another episode on the channel. It's good to have you guys back today. Happy New Year. Yes, I know I did not drop a vlogmas video or anything, and yeah, this is me appearing here on the 2nd of January. So I'm literally recording this video on the 2nd of January 2023, and it's going to be a really short and straightforward one. But anyway, I just want to wish you people a very prosperous and fulfilling new year ahead, and I hope you guys like make all your dreams and all your wishes come through, and every good thing happens for you in this new year. So in this video, without further ado, it is basically an unboxing of some gadgets I got, like a new ring light and a microphone. So a couple of videos back, that was when, if you watched the video where I talked about a series I watched on Netflix, The Crown. So the day I was recording that video, my ring light got bad, and it has actually been giving me warning signs like all through, but I just never thought, I just felt like, oh yeah, I could like keep putting up with it till eventually I decided to buy a new one. So initially I wanted to buy an LED 660, but I kept saying, oh yeah, I'll get it in due time, and the light gave out on me. But something happened, so I was not really expecting it. Somebody gave me a gift. I'm not going to mention the person, but somebody gave me a gift, and it was a ring light. So literally one day I was just at home and my phone rang, and a man was like, oh yeah, I have something to deliver to you. And I'm like, deliver to me? Like how? I did not order anything. I even had to go and check my orders on Jumia, if maybe I ordered something on Jumia that I don't remember or anything. But I checked and I didn't see anything. I was like, okay, cool, probably it was just one of those things you get. Then eventually it came, and it was a ring light, and I was like, ring light, when, how? So quite long story short, it was a gift from somebody, and it really came in due time, because it actually saved me, or it's going to save me unnecessary expenses, honestly speaking. But prior to that time, I actually bought a microphone on Jumia. I bought this microphone on Jumia. It's a lapel microphone, so this is like a 2-in-1. My mic got bad too, like sometime in September last year, and I just didn't get around to buying a new one. But eventually I bought this in September. I bought this in November, I think. November. I'm not really so sure about this, because I've had it, and honestly guys, since I bought this mic, I've not even like tested to see if it even works, because literally now is like the first time I'm going to say, oh, I want to like test it properly. So this is not how it came. It actually came in a more packaged container. It came with two mics. These are the mics. Let's see this. So yes, this is one, and this is another. So 2 mics, then a plug-in. This plug-in goes into your phone or your recording device or anything. Then it came with like a USB cable to charge it, but I took it out. So the only thing I've literally done on this mic since it came was to charge it. So today I'm going to test if it's going to work or if it's not going to work, and how good the sound quality is going to be. So that's one. We'll see how it goes. And another one is my ring light. So guys, it's quite large. Oh, this is what it looks like. So it's basically a 45 centimeter, then I think in circumference, then it is 18 inches long. So the features are like, okay, light, feel light and interface, make face and eye beauty, blah blah blah. Lines. Long and short story, I don't know how this is going. I don't know how bright it is. I don't know how like it's going to like light up my face or anything. So we are going to set this up, and we'll see how good or how bad or how mid it is. So I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. I just hope it is like really good. I already vowed I was never going to buy like a ring light again. I will just buy all those LED family, or maybe a red head lamp, those ones. But ring lights, I was done. But since this came as a gift, I can't help it. So without further ado, let's set this up and see how bright it can get. Okay guys, so this is it. It comes in a bag. Okay, it comes in a bag and it's quite big. It's bigger than I even like envisioned. It's really big. Yeah, so good. Then I think it came with some other stuff. Let me see what they are. Oh, cool. It came with a remote control. So this is a remote control to both turn it on and turn it off. On, off. I think this is for like increasing the brightness on how you want it, and this is maybe, I think, color change. This is it. Then it also came with batteries. So these are like 2 batteries, I think, for it. These are the batteries. Then this is the remote. Then it also came with a plug. So I want to imagine this is a charging plug, but I'm not so sure. So probably when I'm done setting up and I can piece the pieces together, then I will know what this is for. I don't know what these are. Okay, so these are, I think, normal features of a ring light. So literally, I think these are like phone holders or something that you like fix on the ring light to hold your phone, but I don't think I'll be needing this because I already have like a tripod, so I don't need my ring light to hold my phone or something, or maybe my camera or anything. So yeah, I don't know. So let's see how this goes. Then let's so that's like everything that came with it: the charger, I think, a remote control, batteries, and the phone holders. So let's unbox the light itself now. Okay, this bag is really cute. I think it is really cute. Then this is the light. This is the light. This is the light. Oh, guys, it's really large. See, like it's, you know, through. It's really large. So this is like 18 inches in circumference, if I'm not mistaken. So hey guys, so this is it. So the model is like M45. Touch dimming and a couple of other details here. So I think to charge, the USB cable I saw earlier really goes into this place. Then for this area, you can see the 3 holes. So I think this is where the phone camera holder goes into, and you screw them in. Then you can like place 3 phones there, just like turn it on. Then we have like the control panel that has the power button, how to increase or decrease. So literally I feel like this is where the old remote control access comes into. So literally you want to change anything, turn it on, turn it off, increase brightness, decrease brightness. This is where all that is going to happen from. So I also have the tripod. This is the tripod. I think this is where the tripod, I think the tripod is 18 inches long. The total length of the tripod is 18 inches long. This is what it looks like. There's a screw here to adjust the length. If you're familiar with tripod stands or phone camera holders generally, you would know how this adjustment works. So this is the length. I think there's still like, you can adjust this bit too. So guys, you can see how long literally long. So when we are setting up, I'm going to show you people how it looks like standing upright. So without further ado, let's get into the setup.
Firstly, I unscrewed the knob at the bottom part of the stand to elongate the stand and also make sure the stand can support the weight of the ring light eventually. Then secondly, the other part, I also had to like screw that part in to make sure I have the desired length I wanted, and also for the stand to adequately support the ring light in the long run. Then I placed the ring light on the stand. Prior to that, there was a knob too at the bottom of the stand which I had to unscrew so the top of the ring light can fit onto the stand. Then I screwed that back eventually and adjusted the light to my desired length. I actually struggled with figuring this out because it took me quite a while to figure out how to place the knob in there. So this is basically a phone holder, but I won't be needing this because I have a tripod stand. So for the purpose of those who might need it, it's quite easy. So just follow my steps and you get it right. Then this is me placing my batteries in the remote control and getting ready to start testing the light. So the cable you saw earlier that I showed you was basically for connecting this directly to electricity. For me, I think this is a downside because it's not rechargeable, so when you want to use the light you have to plug it directly to electricity. So this is me testing the other functions of the light, from the lowest to the highest. Then it gave me like a multiple range of colors. Like, I was really impressed. I saw that it had these colors on the packaging of the light, but I never knew they were going to be this intense and bright. Honestly speaking, I think I even enjoy the colored lighting than the actual white lighting I'm supposed to use if maybe I want to film. So this is me testing all the warm colors and I absolutely love them. I just like how warm the colors are. I don't know, but it's just weird. Yeah, and this is me just goofing around and just enjoying it. Like, it was giving me club vibes, like I was in the club and having fun and all the good stuff in between, honestly.
Welcome back, guys. So that's that for the ring light. Yes, I was in the club. You can see the lighting changing and everything. I really loved it. So okay, I think now I'm filming with natural light, so I don't even know which is better. I think I even prefer the natural light. I like how it sits on my skin. But any which way, it's not every day I get to like shoot like when it's bright. Most times I shoot like in the night or in the evenings because it takes quite a while to like set up and arrange everything. So for this one, I don't know. So let's quickly dive into how to use our mic. So this, like I said, the mic, actually this is like the mic, it comes in twos. I bought a double in case I have a guest on the channel, because I'm going to start having like guests on the channel going forward. You know, it's a new year, so we have to like some rebranding, but I'll delve into that detail in a later video. But for now, so this is the mic, this is the power button here. So you just turn this on, you press it, it comes on. When it comes on, a little green light signifies that it's on. This is it. Then this other part, I'm just going to plug it directly into my phone. So that's like the receiver. So whatever filming device or whatever you're using to film or record your video at that point, so that's what you use. I think by now the audio should have changed because it is on and I think I'm connected, so I think you should be hearing a different sound from what you were hearing before. I think I should be more audible now. Then okay, I think the component of this microphone is, this is a windbreaker. This is like very important to your microphone because it helps like break the wind. Like, oh, probably you're sitting very close to a fan or there is like excessive air, probably you're filming outdoors, so it helps reduce the wind. Then this is just the component of it. So this is as important as the mic itself. So I'm just going to clip this here and we are good to go, ready to film. So that's it, guys. That's it on this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this new stuff, like this new gadgets and all, the mic, the lights, hopefully it just helps me dish out better content and more improved videos. This year I have a lot of okay, I'm not going to make promises, but I just feel like I have to work harder towards the growth of my channel this year and not just let it be business as usual. There has to be like something different, something out of the ordinary. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you so much for your support so far. Thank you for your subscription. Is that correct? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for watching every time. I really appreciate it. And honestly, I would not say how good your comments make me feel. Like if I post a video out there, most times I might just get only one comment, but that one comment is something that I always look forward to because it keeps me like going. Like the first video I posted, somebody was like, "Oh, you are doing great," and I'm like, "Oh, thank you." This is somebody I don't even know from Adam. So guys, please keep commenting because it is like a seriously big motivation for me to like continue putting out content and just doing all the nice things. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying up to this moment. Please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. That is very, very important. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy New Year once again and have a prosperous New Year ahead. Bye.